we're gonna be looking at this desk fan, so let me quickly unbox it. That's how it looks like. I think I've got mine in the color pink. Let's see. So like first off, we get charging cable. Of course, your fan is rechargeable. You can you don't have to connect it to the power source. And that's how it looks like. Look how cute it is. We've got like a little details right here in the front. That's where the button is. That's where you turn it on. Here, like you can just hold it like that, or it can stand on its own, just like that. And then here, that's where you connect the cable. This one is also very quiet. Let's just quickly test it out. I'm just going to click this button right here. So that's the first gear, second gear, and third gear. So as for something so little, I think it's pretty powerful, and I think since it's so small, I could easily put it in my handbag just to take it with me outside or when I'm running or wherever. So yeah, very happy with this one. Can be desk fan, can be outdoor fan, can be camping fan, can be whatever you want it to be. So I really like this one. It's small, it's cute, it's going to go with most decor, so I would very much recommend this one to you.